Right, quick update guys, day 2. We're actually at Hong Kong airport. We got here on time and then we've just got on a mad rush through transfers to get onto another Cathay Pacific flight. This one's going straight to Manila. Sensen's chatting already, she's found friends already. But yeah, people are just loading up at the moment. Get in there. We should be getting out of here soon. And I think it's about 2 hours to Manila. I hope. Getting tired, to be honest. Talk to you in a bit. Alrighty, so we're about 20 minutes late taking off from Hong Kong. We would have been, it should be an hour and a half basically to get us to Manila. Hour and a half from here in the air. It was supposed to be a 9 o'clock flight. It got us here by 10:30. But all the messing about, it's now going to be nearly 11 by the time we land. Well, it's alright. If there's anything of a pilot, he'll make the time up in the air anyway. Just see if you can find 5th gear, put it in that and just hold it for a bit. Plenty of planes coming. It's not a very busy airport, but there's loads going on. They keep coming down. It's going to be a warm one today. It's very misty on them mountains over there. Ascension's having fun, she's found friends. Hey. So, get ready for the takeoff. Finally, looks like we're cleared for the main runway, guys. This is what's happening. Got a big old runway out there. And I think we should be about ready just to take straight off. So we'll see what happens. Lovely day. Been to Hong Kong but not seen much of it. Right, it sounds like it's spooling up now, so here we go. Bye bye Hong Kong, guys. Get that foot down. She's an old girl, but I think she'll make it. So because I'm going to run out of runway otherwise. And this is built on water. This airport is man-made. So hopefully they'll get up in the air before the runway runs out. Taking its time. Alrighty. Alright, bye bye China. Nice to see you. Don't want to be you. Nice airport. But it's all built on water, it's not a natural island, it's been made. There's loads more construction going on, making it even bigger. We're in the air, on the way, hopefully 11 o'clock, we'll be in Manila, pick up his bags, get the duty free, maybe I'll get a cigarette as well. Jesus, I've been chewing tea bags for the last flipping 12 hours guys, and it's not bloody funny, I can tell you now. Catch you later then, what do you reckon babe?
Yes.
You tired?
Yeah, tired.
That means she's going to get grumpy, so I'll keep my mouth shut at this point. Peace out fellas. 11 o'clock guys. Hang on, 11 o'clock actually. And we're in the Philippines. But my first view's out the window as we speak. Probably can't see a lot down there, but there's some islands and some mountains. Yeah. Looking funky. To be honest, the pair of us are really tired, so we'll get landed, go and grab us bags, and then Ascension's going to meet her little brother Junior, who she's not seen in 12 years, if not longer. And then we're going to leave it there for today, guys. That's our travels from sunny Ripley to even sunnier Philippines over the last 2 days. And we are tired. My missus is knackered, and I know she's knackered because she's not saying anything. She's quiet for a change. If she's not quiet, she's like a chihuahua. She hasn't got a good bark left in her. Right, see you later, guys. Let's go and find Junior and the bags. So guys, finally through. Bought some cigarettes, bottles of whiskey, bottles of wine as gifts, and I'm just letting Ascension do the old rabbit in front trick because her little brother Junior is going to be here at some point, and she's going to be really happy. Whoa! Nanay! Wow, what's she doing here? Mum's here. Oh wow, okay, we gotta go. We'll continue this later, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll continue this later.
2 hours later.
Horrific Manilla traffic. It's not even rush hour. It's been crazy. But Sister's fella, he was driving the Toyota Fortuner. We got us through there. Absolute legend. What I didn't sort of show you on the last video was the fact that all the family turned up. We got sisters, nieces, husbands of nieces. Absolutely amazing. So long story short, I've just been baptised with Manilla. At this point I want to put out a big massive shout to Joe. Big Joe, you know who you are, man. Joe Go Wonder. If you don't know who he is, Joe Go Wonder, go and check him out on YouTube. He's giving some seriously good advice. But anyway, here I am. I'm just on the outskirts of Manila. It's my first night here. We've rented a small apartment, and it's all cracking off. I'm in full life. It's brilliant, I love it. So we got scooters everywhere. It's all happening. This is my sister's shop. It's all happening here. This is a little village. Hey! Super niece number 1, she's been adopted. And over there we've got basketball going on, we've got fresh food, we've got manok, we've got everything here, guys. It's brilliant. Brilliant scooters. So here's the brother-in-law. There's my main man, also an engineer. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely, man. Go. And I've got to introduce you to the crew. This is Nanay. She's the most important queen of the whole operation.
Important queen.
She's the queen. This is our number 1 head of the family. Sisters, sisters, sisters. Number 1 nieces. Wow, Peekaboo Princess up there. Hi, Peekaboo. Hello, hello. Uh-oh, of course. My beautiful wife, Ascension. And this is the apartment we've rented for the night. We've got aircon, we've got TV. Wow. Just charging the blogging equipment up, guys, because it's as flat as a pancake. Right, I'm going to leave it right here, and I think we might all be going out tonight for a bit of Jollibee, take the family out, and we're going to go party. So I'll leave it at that. We'll talk to you later. Peace out. That's where we are at the moment. We brought the whole family out for a meal. We're still in Manila. As an English man coming straight from the UK and experience in Manila, the only word I've got for you guys out there in the whole wide world is wow. I mean, I've driven London, Rome. Check this out, guys. I mean, you got to check this out. Look at this. It's just pure chaos. say, I really love this place. I'm so jet lagged at the moment. Travelled 2 hours to Manchester Airport. We've had like 20 hours on a flight to Hong Kong. Another hour or so to wait for another flight to Manila, which was late. Then we got to Manila. Then we got hijacked by the family. And we've hired a flat. And now we've decided to take the family out for dinner. I know it's Jollibee's. It's nothing really, but it is something. And I'm overloaded, guys, I really am. I'm referring again to Jogo Wonder, who's based more Cebu Dumaguete, I believe, him and April. Lovely people. If you've not caught the channel yet, catch them, subscribe please. Really nice people. Anyway, I'm going to take this vlogging stick back inside, hand it over to my missus. I've just come out for a cheeky smoke. And do you know what, guys? In all honesty, foreigner's first time in the Philippines, Manila, I absolutely bloody well love it. I do.
Oh, Dakati vlog. Jollibee tayo kakabsat. Ne. Bakit? Inapoy. Yan. Dito lang. Tayo sa Jollibee. For the chicken, Jollibee.
Okay, foreigner's point of view, England, it's not got a scratch on Philippine Jollibee.
Yeah,
Not a scratch.
Look at this.
Everything, even down to the batter.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ayan, kain po tayo, Jollibee.
Oh yeah.
What are you thinking that to drink?
Well, I think it looks weird. It's got like chocolate sauce. Man, it's Coca-Cola with cream, ice cream, chocolate. Yeah, that's a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. That's different.
Yan, si Kayla.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Wow, look at that. It's got like hot dog in it.
Yeah. Yan. Kain. Oh, hi. Hi. Magandang-linda na dito. Yan, kain po.
Yeah, dig in.
Kain po.
Good health.
Sabihin kung paano